guys, welcome back to my channel. By now you would have seen my Langkawi trip video. So today I want to share with you my experience when I was staying at the Capsule Transit Hotel in KLIA 2. As far as I know, there are two Capsule Transit and the one that I was staying at is the Landside. Now, before I went to the Capsule Transit Hotel, I stopped by a Family Mart that is in KLIA 2. So I got a couple of buns and stuff to eat. Now, from the Family Mart, the escalator to Capsule Transit is actually next to it. So I went down that escalator. From there, you can see the transportation hub, which you can get taxis or buses. From far away, you could see Capsule Transit at the very end. As you walk towards the Capsule Transit Hotel, you could see the reception area of the Capsule Transit. Now, if you haven't booked the room online, this would be the price. You might want to pause this part to get the details. As for my booking, I booked a female capsule for 12 hours via booking.com. So I was charged 141 ringgit and 75 cents. There are two locker space nearby the reception area. They handed me two lockers for my luggages. All the Wi-Fi details and everything are on the lanyard that was given. They will also provide you with this bag that consists of towel that you are supposed to return upon your checkout. There is a bottled water and also a few more items in this Ziploc bag. Before I go ahead and put my luggages inside the locker, there is this space. I took out some stuff that I need, then put them in the locker and lock it. After that, I head to the capsule area. You have to go through this door, and from that point onward, you could see the separate female area and also female toilet. The female section is separated from the rest. You have a mixed section, which if you are there as a family would be more suitable. As I walk up the stairs, I could see the receptionist areas. On the female side, there are two kind of capsule area. One is like a single story, which means you are not stacked on top of another capsule. Such as this one, it has a front opening, like when you're sleeping, the opening is towards your feet. There is also this compartment which you could use as a mirror and as a place to put your stuff.
Too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my
For privacy, you could pull down the blind.
wait on the moment to say that.
There is also a plug point that you could use, and the one on the right is just a switch for the light. Because this is a shared area, you are reminded to be considerate of other travelers. These are the stuff that are in the Ziploc bag. So you have a toothbrush, you have your eye shade and also earplugs. They provide you with two comfortable pillows and also a blanket. You have a couple of hooks to hang your stuff as well. Now, I would advise that you put your valuables close to your head so that it's not as easy, let's say, if someone wants to steal from you. This time, I'm bringing my own slippers. There are times when I find that they do provide. And as I showed you just now, this is the toilet for female. There are a lot of sinks and a few shower section that is separated from the toilet section. They also provide you with shampoo and shower gel, and there is a mirror inside the shower stall.
We grew past bad, plans were always solid. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights.
The shower is nice and warm. They also provide you with a hair dryer that is in the common area of the bathroom. If you explore other section of the Capsule Transit Hotel, you will come across this more of a chill out area that you could have your coffee or tea or whatever drink that is available at the time. There are a bunch of books that you could read. There are plenty of couches that you could rest on. This is another section if you prefer a little bit more privacy. After 12 hours of staying in the Capsule Transit Hotel, I finally got ready and prepared my bags to check out. After I got my 2 luggages out of the locker, I put my stuff back in the luggage and returned the towel. And I head back up to level 2, which is where the KLIA Express is, the train that will take me to KLIA 1. Once you see Uniqlo, the train is actually on the opposite side of it, so you could get your tickets there from KLIA 2 to 1. It only costs you 2 ringgit. The train is available every half an hour, so you could actually check the timing online.
You're a masterpiece. My clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow stripe.
And finally, I arrived at KLIA 1 ready to meet my friends for my Langkawi trip. I also stayed at Capsule Transit Hotel. After our Langkawi trip, I was given a room that is open from the side, which is slightly different from the one that I stayed at before Langkawi trip. I hope this was helpful if you are searching for an info about Capsule Transit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Symphony, souls connect so physically, yeah.